y'all see that? Ooh-wee. Oh my goodness, look at that. There is no brine or buttermilk soaking needed for this chicken. This chicken is crispy and juicy without all that. It is so, look, the crumbs are falling on the floor. It is so, and it's still juicy. You guys see that? That juice? It's still juicy. I'm just making a mess of crumbs, but that's how crispy it is. I'm actually gonna sink my teeth into this first, because I'm about to tear this chicken up, okay? I love my Lupin fried chicken. It's so good. And this is my favorite little part. If y'all not eating this little wingtip, let me eat my little wingtip. And now I'm gonna taste the waffle for you guys. I can't wait for you guys to make these Lupin flour waffles. Ooh, I got a good bite. Look at that. That would have been a blooper. The whole plate almost slid off the island. Look at that.